Hello, this is meteorologist Dave Nadler with the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Atlanta, with your routine weekly weather briefing for North and Central Georgia. Today's date is Thursday, February 25th, 2021. Here are the main highlights. We are expecting rain and much cooler weather to return to the area, mainly North Georgia, on Friday. Temperatures will rebound, though, over the weekend after this system moves through Friday, back to seeing some unseasonably warm conditions across the area once again. We do expect another cold front to move across much of the area Sunday night into Monday with another round of rain and perhaps a few thunderstorms across the area, but nothing severe at this point. Continued unsettled weather is expected into the middle part of next week, although models are fairly uncertain at this point and diverge quite a bit as to the chances of rain that we may see by the middle of next week. So that's something to pay attention to as we head through the weekend into early next week. Localized flood threat could increase through the period, mainly across parts of North Georgia, where we expect much of the rainfall to occur over the next few days. The good news is that the storm threat and severe potential remains low at this time, but we'll watch it for localized storm threats with each system. We're not expecting any sort of storms or severe threat with Friday's system at this point. And no impact winter weather is expected at this time across North and Central Georgia. Here's the latest current conditions. Here's a regional satellite loop, visible satellite loop, showing that much of Georgia is seeing clear skies, sunny conditions this afternoon. This will change as we do see some moisture and precipitation across parts of Texas, Louisiana, that will be spreading east across the area later tonight into the day on Friday. So here's what we can expect for Friday into early Saturday. The rain moving in, mainly across North Georgia. You see there the rainfall forecast. We expect anywhere from a half an inch to maybe an inch and a half of rain across parts of North Georgia, beginning later tonight and through the day tomorrow, with locally higher amounts possible. We expect the heaviest rain to occur sometime between mid-morning and mid-afternoon, with scattered showers sort of lingering across parts of far North Georgia through the evening tomorrow into early Saturday. We do, in addition to the rainfall, we do expect much cooler temperatures to occur as a wedge of colder air moves down the east side of the Appalachians, and you'll see temperatures struggling to get out of the 40s across much of far North Georgia on Friday. Here are those temperatures. Lows tonight, generally in the 40s and 50s across much of the area, and then on Friday with the cloud cover and rain moving in, especially across areas north of I-20, you see that temperatures will struggle to warm much from the morning lows, generally in the mid to upper 40s across the higher elevations in northeast and north central Georgia. But farther south, as we head down towards LaGrange and Columbus and Macon, points south, where the rain won't be much of an issue and could even break out into some sun, we see that temperatures are going to be quite a bit warmer than our areas of far north Georgia tomorrow afternoon. As we head into Saturday and Sunday, again, we could see some lingering showers across far north Georgia Saturday morning, but that should move out and temperatures should rebound nicely on Saturday. As you can see, temperatures Saturday and Sunday, generally in the 60s across far north Georgia, higher elevations there, and 70s elsewhere. To put this sort of in perspective, our normal high for Metro Atlanta this time of year for the end of February is running right around 59 to 60 degrees. So you can see we're running anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees above normal across much of the area for this time of year. Now, as we look into Sunday night and Monday, as we head into the early part of next week, we do expect a front to bring another round of showers and perhaps a few thunderstorms across far north Georgia late Sunday night into Monday. The front does weaken and sort of fall apart as it drifts south on Monday, so any shower or storm activity is probably going to start to break up through the day on Monday as it heads into central and south Georgia. But most of the area should see some rainfall with this system. The heaviest rain is expected to be, again, across north Georgia, and that's where we'll need to monitor the potential for like a localized flood threat for creeks and streams and even rivers as additional rainfall on top of what we're expecting on Friday occurs across these areas. Again, aside from that, though, we're not expecting any major impacts with this system as it moves across the area Sunday night into Monday. Now, by the middle of next week, this is where the uncertainty starts to occur, where a few of the models diverge quite a bit. We have Model A on the left there showing Additional rainfall or chances of rain continuing by Tuesday into Wednesday. This is sort of a snapshot of looking at Tuesday afternoon. And you see one model has quite a bit of rain, spreading back across the area, where model B on the right side for the same time period is relatively dry at this point. So that's something we'll have to watch 6-7 days out. These divergent patterns are not unusual, but for now we're sort of trending towards a drier period for Tuesday, Wednesday, with low chances of precipitation across the area at this point. We'll see how things evolve as newer model data comes in throughout the weekend. Taking a look at the high temperatures for next Tuesday, March 2nd, and next Wednesday, back to around normal for this time of year, with 50s and 60s across much of north and central Georgia for Tuesday. Could be a few degrees warmer on Wednesday, but again, these temperatures will be dependent on whether or not we see any significant rainfall or front move across the area during this time. And at this point, there's a lot of uncertainty out there for next Tuesday and Wednesday. So, but this is what we're expecting for high temperatures by the middle of next week, about seasonal for this time of year. In summary, again, we're expecting a round of rain and much cooler weather to return to parts of North Georgia on Friday. Despite this, we do expect temperatures to rebound and warm back up over the weekend for much of the area. And with the front expected to move across the area again Sunday night into Monday, bringing additional chances for rain, especially across the northern half of the state. We do expect potentially an unsettled pattern to continue through the middle of next week, but again, as I was showing you earlier, the models do diverge quite a bit as to whether or not we will see any rainfall by next Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll continue to watch sort of a localized flood threat, especially across parts of North Georgia, as we see a couple of these storm systems move across the area and drop rainfall over some of the same areas. The good news is that the storm threat and the severe weather potential remains low at this time, and there is no impact winter weather expected across any parts of north and central Georgia over the next 6 to 7 days. Thank you so much for joining us on this routine weekly briefing for north and central Georgia. Again, this is Dave Nadler with the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Atlanta, and here are a few ways that you can connect with us and view these briefings from our briefing page, or connect with us through our webpage or through social media. We hope that you have a great rest of the day and a wonderful weekend.